Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful. This is your soulmate love reading. Let's start your soulmate love reading. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. You can leave it out. Okay? And take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, Aquarius. I don't read reversals, and this is your soulmate love reading. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for getting more videos and messages, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start your soulmate love reading. What are the messages for my soul? Sorry. Okay, so let's start your soulmate reading. What are the messages for my Aquarius from their soulmate? Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages from my Aquarius? Okay, from their soulmate. Please help me out. Ten of Wands, Emperor, Hangman, Strength, and the High Priestess. Okay, help me out to deliver the messages. Page of Swords. Okay, what are the messages from the soulmate? Okay, this is your soulmate reading. What are the messages from the soulmate? Aquarius, help me out. King of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Seven of Cups. Any other message from the soulmate? Three of Cups. Any other message? Empress. And there is Ten of Cups. Okay, Aquarius. There are two different energies in the reading. Bottom of the deck, I am having Four of Cups. You are not accepting a cup, Aquarius, from someone, but there is someone who is offering you. Okay. There are two different energies. One is King of Pentacle and one is the Emperor, because there is an Emperor and Empress too. One is your karmic soulmate and one is your divine counterpart. Okay. You're carrying lots of burden. Again, Ten of Wands. You're carrying lots of burden, Aquarius, with you. Your Emperor is there. So they are feeling like an hangman. They are feeling like an hangman, but still they are keeping the strength with themselves. Okay, they're keeping the strength with themselves and they're using their intuitions. There is someone who is spying on you. This King of Pentacle is spying on you. Okay, Page of Swords is all about spying online, either by social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. They are spying on you, King of Pentacles. So someone is spying on you and they were giving you Ten of Swords energy. Can you see? They were putting you in this energy. This is your karmic relationship. That's what I'm getting it. So they have put all the swords in you. Okay, and they were keeping their options open. Seven of Cups, Three of Cups again. So there is some third party going on, but now you are rising as an Empress and you are getting your Ten of Cups happily ever after. And let me clarify these cards, because I need to clarify what is the cards meaning. So because I'm not getting much more information around it, but that is, I'm sure that there is two energies around you. And it just fell out. Wow. Ace of Cups and Lovers. Death card. Seven of Pentacles, Magician. Okay, let me see. Let me see. What is the meaning of Emperor? Clarify Emperor. You won't believe it, Aquarius. Okay. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Cups. Celebration. See, Three of Cups. Celebration is coming your way. And again, the Ten of Cups and Ten of Cups. Yes, you are getting your offer from your Emperor. Okay, from your soulmate. And Wheel of Fortune is there. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your direction, in your favor. And they are offering you Ten of Cups. Happily ever after. All emotional happiness they want to offer you. Okay, this person is your divine counterpart who wants to give you Ten of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune is moving in their favor. Let me see what is the meaning of King of Pentacles. Clarify what is King of Pentacles. What is King of Pentacles? What is King of Pentacles? Yeah, see, Five of Cups. Again, Five of Cups, bottom of the deck. You are rejecting them basically. You are feeling sad. You are feeling very sad for this King of Pentacles. They have given you all the things in the past. Let me take them back because it's not clarified yet. Okay, clarify what is the meaning of King of Pentacles. I need to know what is the King of Pentacles. See, Five of Wands, Three of Swords. Yes, there are two different energies. There are two different energies, two different person in your life. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Swords. They have put you in a third party situation. They have given you lots of hurts, heartbreaks, pain, because there is Five of Wands here, lot of conflicts. So there are two energies, Aquarius, around you. Okay, one is giving you, this King of Pentacle is attached with this Three of Swords and Five of Wands. So this King of Pentacles, who is financially stable, strong, maybe they are financially stable, they were giving you Three of Swords, lots of heartbreaks, pain, third party situation. Can you see this girl is screaming in pain, crying and screaming? So, and because there were conflicts too, and there is Ten of Swords energy around this. So yes, this is the other person for sure. This is not the same person. Emperor and King of Pentacles, there are two different situations, two different person or energies around you. One is giving you Three of Swords and Five of Wands, conflicts and hurts, and one is giving you Ten of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So let me see what is the meaning of Empress. Clarify what is the meaning of Empress. That's you. You are taking the energy of Hermit and Queen of Swords. Someone is spying on you. Page of Swords is again there. Page of Swords and Page of Swords. Either you are spying on someone or someone is spying on you. But someone is spying on you for sure. Clarify Empress. Clarify what is the meaning of Empress. Yeah. Clarify Empress. What is the meaning of Empress? You are getting your clarity, Aquarius. You are getting your clarity and you're coming towards a calmer water. Six of Swords is there. You're hoping for new hopes and desires and you're getting it. Yeah, you are unable to make a decision because of this devil, the toxicity, the toxic person. That's why you are unable to make a decision. Indecision is there. Some of you are unable to make a decision. Nine of Swords again, sleepless nights. So but now you are coming towards a calmer water. You are hoping for new hopes and desires and you are getting it. Why I am saying it? Someone is spying on you for sure, Aquarius. I don't know who is spying on you, but I think that this is this King of Pentacle. They are keeping tabs on you. What my Aquarius are up to, what my Aquarius are doing, they are spying on you. Okay. Then there is an Hermit energy. You are taking the energy of Hermit and doing soul searching and all, looking answers from within yourself, and now you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You are ready to cut any manipulation, lies, cheating, any other thing. Why you are taking it? Because you are getting your clarity. You are holding back from someone. Can you see? You are holding back from someone. Four of Pentacles. You are holding back from this energy, and that's very good that you are holding back from them. But there is someone, Aquarius, who is giving you, which is your basically wish fulfillment. Okay, Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment is there. They are giving you 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything. Again, 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups, both are there. So yes, they are giving you 10 of Pentacles. Okay, and you are getting your clarity. Three of Cups again is their celebration card. Okay, and before that there is Three of Cups and Three of Cups, both are there from both decks. So yes, you are getting your clarity. Ace of Swords, someone is giving you the clarity. Let me see who is spying on Aquarius. Who is spying on Aquarius? Why there is Page of Swords? Clarify. Page of Swords. Clarify. Page of Swords. Empress. Who is spying on? Who is spying on Aquarius? This is you. You are spying on someone, Aquarius. Okay. But spying on Empress, I can say. But someone is spying. Empress. Again. Someone is spying on you for sure, Aquarius. Someone is keeping tabs, basically, where what my Aquarius are up to. Two of Pentacles. Okay. Magician. You are defending yourself. Okay, you are protecting yourself. You are being defensive. That's why you are not allowing them to enter in your aura. 1212 was the recording reading time. You are not allowing them to enter in your life. That's why, because you are keeping, that's why they are keeping a tab on you, because there is Tower movement and Five of Pentacles and Eight of Swords. You are leaving a situation or person behind, and they are feeling stuck or restricted. They don't know what to do. Now they are feeling restricted because you left them. You are leaving them, and there is a Tower here. The divine is taking care of this relationship. Someone is keeping a tab on you. Empress, Page of Swords. Because you are not allowing them to enter in your life. That's why they are keeping a tab on you. Okay. See. Again, Four of Cups. You are saying you are not accepting their cup. Four of Cups. You are not accepting this King of Pentacles. That's why you are saying no to them. That's why they are keeping a tabs on you about what are they doing. What is Ten of Swords? What is Ten of Swords? What is the meaning of Ten of Swords? See. I don't think so that I need to clarify any other thing. The Devil is come. And bottom of the deck I'm having World card, because but you are completing a cycle, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Okay. So Devil is there. The Devil is attached to Ten of Swords. And the Devil has come here with this King of Pentacles. So something is related to this King of Pentacles, which is toxic, which is not good at all. They will backstab you. There were a lot of conflicts around them. They put you in a third party situation. There were Devil attached to that. Toxicity, lots of toxicity, and they have given you all the bad things in life. They have given you all the bad things in life. Okay. They were keeping their options open. Seven of Cups. They were keeping their options open. They were not loyal, basically. Okay. What is the meaning of Ten of Cups? What is the meaning of Ten of Cups? Explain me. See, the person, Ten of Cups, bottom of the deck I'm having Six of Cups. The person is from your past. Now see what I'm getting again. And this was also there in your main reading. 10 of swords, 10 of wands, 10 of swords. Again, you have completed a cycle, basically, that there is no 11 for sure. That's why you're getting new beginnings. You're getting new beginnings. The sun card is there from this king of swords, and this is your match, king of swords and queen of swords. King of swords is there, and here it is queen of swords. Queen of swords is the empress. Queen of swords is the empress, and here it is the king of swords. They're giving you the sun, the new beginnings. After you have dealt lots of pain, heartbreaks and all, they are giving you the sun. The sun, new happy beginning, new beginning in life. 10 of cups. The person is from your past. Okay, you both know each other, because there is 6 of cups, and 6 of cups also belongs to soulmate. So what is the advice? And it just fell out. I just saying it and it just fell out. Okay. Advice for Aquarius is lovers and ace of cups. Okay, so yes, you are dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. Divine counterpart. There is lovers who wants to give you ace of cups. Okay, that's the advice from the universe. Okay, so trust them. Don't get in this energy, and it's good that you are not accepting this, because divine and the universe is trying to tell you that you deserve this, Aquarius, the lovers and ace of cups, and they are coming your way, because that's the new beginning which is being offered by your which is being offered to you by your divine counterpart. It just fell out. This has, if you're getting your emotional fulfillment from your lovers is there, that's your divine counterpart you are dealing with. There are 2 energies for sure. Any other advice? See, 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, again divine counterpart, soulmate energy. 11-11, 4 of Wands, 11-11, and 3 of Pentacles. Okay, I need to explain more the Emperor. I need to see more. I don't know why, but I need to see why. Okay, let's see. What is the meaning of Emperor? Clarify more. Clarify more, Emperor. Yeah, see, that's why I was telling you that I need to clarify. They are giving you new hopes and desire. The Star card. In bottom of the deck again, I'm having Hangman. There is a Hangman here too. Say they want to give you new hopes and desires. And this is someone who is a King of Cups. Okay, a person who is full of emotions, who values emotions. Maybe they will, a Page of Cup is there. They will approach you in a small way first, but they are offering you something. They are offering you something. That's enough. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Chariot. Okay. And then there is 6 of Wands. Yes, you're getting success, Aquarius. You're getting success, recognition, victory. And now you're rising as a Chariot. Okay. Do not worry at all. There is someone who is your divine counterpart. Wow. Beautiful. How beautiful it is. This is your soulmate reading, Aquarius. There are 2 persons around you. Okay, the person who is your divine counterpart is giving you Sun, Ace of Cups, Lovers, and 4 of Wands. These 2 cards belongs to soulmate. Okay, so yes, you are dealing with your soulmate for sure. You are going through with lots of pain, heartbreaks and all because of this devil. Okay, there was some person in your life which was toxic, which was not good at all, which was narcissist. Okay, they put you in a third party situation, giving you lots of heartbreaks and conflicts. Okay, there is 10 of Wands, lots of burdens, and but this was the person, the King of Pentacles was the person. So they have given you lots of things, but that's very good that you are not accepting a cup. Maybe you're getting 2 offers. one from the past person which you were committed from long period of time, and one is from your new person. The new person is giving you new stars, new hopes, new desires, and Wheel of Fortune is moving in their favor too. Can you see? It's moving in their favor. It's moving in their favor. In your divine counterpart, 2020 was the recording reading time. So it's moving in their favor. Okay. There is an Emperor and Empress here. A pair. Okay. An Empress is 2 times. Okay, so Empress and Emperor is there. There is a divine counterpart. There is a King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay. 10 of Cups and 10 of Cups. The divine counterpart is your Emperor, and they are giving you this commitment happily ever after. Okay. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. There are your wish fulfillment. You're getting your clarity. Ace of Swords is there. Someone is spying on you, Aquarius. Page of Swords. Okay, someone is spying on you. The Empress is there. Someone is spying on you. The Page of Swords is all about keeping tabs on each other. Okay. So that's what that is your soulmate love reading. Okay. I hope it resonates with you, my lovely Aquarius. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from your soulmate, what they think, what they want to tell you. Let me see, let me tell you what they want to tell you. What are they thinking to tell you? What are the messages from the soulmate to my Aquarius? Okay, what are the messages from the soulmate? Okay, to my Aquarius. You are wise and witty. This message I always got from your soulmate, Aquarius. You are wise and witty. You are very forgiving. They want to tell you that you are very forgiving. You make me a positive person. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you make me a positive person. Any other message from the soulmate? Any other message from the soulmate? Any other message from your soulmate? Then lots of messages. Okay. You and I have a great understanding. That's what your soulmate wants to tell you. You are my best friend. They want to tell you this. You respect my decision. Okay. That's very good. You treat me like a princess. Take gender according to your situation. Okay. You treat me like prince, and you treat me like a princess. Okay. You love me for what I am. That's what they want to tell you. You bring peace to me. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you bring peace to them, Aquarius. You are crazy and dorky. Wow. You are very cute and adorable. And the last but not the least, and I love this message, that your soulmate wants to tell you that you are my soulmate. And your soulmate wants to tell you this. They know that you are their soulmate. Okay. And they're telling you that you are my soulmate. Okay. So these are the messages from your soulmate to my Aquarius. Okay. Let's add some charms. Okay. I have put lots of charms for you first. Some of you are dealing with Pisces. I hope it cleared it out. Pisces, Aquarius. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius, Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with Sagittarius. Okay. Taurus. Okay. Then there is a Leo, Aries, There is an Aries here too. I hope it clear, you can see clearly. Okay, then there is a Scorpio. Okay, so these are the signs which you can be dealing with. Then there is a key, Aquarius. You have a key. Okay, you have a solution to the problems. You have a key, so that's very good. There is a big clove leaf, so good fortune is coming towards you. Good news, good luck, good luck is coming your way. There are feathers here. A guardian angel is protecting you, and there is a pair of a feather. Okay, there is a pair of a feather. Let me show you like this. So you are being guided and protected by angels. Okay, can you see? So there is a angel feather here, but it's in pair. So there are two angels, that can be a possibility. Wow, I love it. There are two stars, new hopes and desires. This is in pair. Again, divine counterpart. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. You are already in a twin flame journey, Aquarius. There are two frozen sign, I can say, but it's in pair again. So again, there are two here. Wow, it's everything in pair. I got mostly, some of you are dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. So please carefully take care of your decisions. Okay, can you see there is a tree in pair too? Yeah, so there is an owl, so you're getting more intuitive. Owl is there. Intuitions, use your intuitions, Aquarius. There is an elephant, two elephant, but different kind of elephant, but elephant is there. There are two elephants, so giving you lots of strength. Move ahead with lots of confidence and strength, Aquarius. Okay, there is a butterfly. Wow, so transformation is happening in your life. There is a butterfly. You are converting into a butterfly. Okay, so butterfly is there. Transformation is happening for you. Wow, there is an elephant and there is a small elephant here too. Wow, can you see? There is an elephant and then there is a small baby elephant with them. Some of you are having kids with you. Okay, again there is a clove leaf. Good fortune is there. There are three energies, that what I told you, that it is clearly seen here. But one is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. There are three trees. Two are silver and one is bronze. So yes, there are two energies around you. You need to choose carefully. Okay, one is your divine counterpart and one is your karmic soulmate. Again there is a tree, plant, I can say, blossom like a plant in pair. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Okay, then again there is a feather in pair. You are protected by divine, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, there is a fish. Good news is coming your way. Okay, I don't know the meaning of this. If you know, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, but this is also a good fortune, I think, but I don't know the meaning of this. You can tell me in the comment section. Okay, if anyone knows it. Then there is a flower in pair too. So everything is in pair. Okay, you are in your twin flame journey. Okay, flower is there. Then there is a palm and it also resembles good news, good fortune. Okay, it's there. Okay, so yeah, these are the charms for you, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. This was your soulmate love reading. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.